with a voice note, and that was a voice that I didn't recognize. It was a voice of a broken man.
Yeah.
So, yeah, um, I knew what he was going through. So I just said, you know what, I'm here if you want to chat. Uh, Let me know how you're doing. Let's just keep the ball rolling. And yeah, so we did. And long story short, he got quiet for a few days. Um, Kept sending him messages, obviously knowing what he's going through, and then he responded with one message, and then he went quiet again. So I just sent him a message saying, uh, I'm here for you. Uh, Sometimes you find yourself in a dark place and you think you've been buried, but actually
Yeah.
you've been planted. So this just remind yourself that this isn't the end. You haven't lost everything. You still have yourself and your dignity. You can rebuild from here. And quiet, didn't hear anything, and then the Monday. I sent this on the Sunday. The Monday, I just got this. I think it was a 3 or 4 minute voice note. Just and he said, "You know what? You just saved a life." He went through his phone um, and just checking the last messages or whatever um, while loading his gun. And
Landed on
yeah,
the listeners.
that's about it. He was just happy to hear that from someone.
Yeah.
Uh, and yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Take us back to when you noticed your friend was heading down this difficult path. Were there warning signs? You say that you knew that he